Hello everyone. In this video we will measure the angle of deviation of a light ray incident normally on the surface of an equilateral prism. We will also look at this practical with respect to total internal reflection. This is a standard 10 board practical. Let's begin. Fix two pins on diagonally opposite corners of an A4 size paper placed on a wooden board. Place the prism on the center of the paper and mark its outline with a pencil. Label the prism as ABC. Draw a perpendicular line on AB surface. This will be your incident ray at an angle 90 degree to the surface or angle of incidence as 0 degree. Fix two pins on incident ray, one near to the prism and one at least 5 centimeters away from the first pin. Place the prism back at its own place. Look for the images from different sides of the prism. From surface AC, we don't see the images of the pins, but we do see the spectrum. Wow, that's amazing! Now from surface BC, place another two pins such that all four pins appear to be in a straight line. Please ensure that you close one of your eyes and the eye level should be parallel to the glass slab. This will be your emergent ray. Let's check this with the laser action to get an idea about the emergent ray. Now remove the pins and join the pricked locations with the prism surface. Extend the incident ray forward and the emergent ray backwards. This will give you the angle of deviation. placing the protractor and measuring the angle of deviation, which turns out to be 60 degrees. Thank you for watching.